Welcome to CNC Router training. The following video will walk you through the steps to zero the router so it can be used for production. CNC routers are fast and efficient machines, requiring proper setup to work. Don't worry, although it looks hard, routers are easy to zero. There are three main axes that must be zeroed: the X, Y, and Z axis. First, turn the machine on. Next, set the control software to MDI jog. This allows manual control of machine movements. We will use a keyboard to manually move the router in order to zero. See checklist for control keys. Before jogging, check to make sure the tool path is clear so as not to crash the cutter. We start by zeroing the Y-axis. Jog the cutter to the edge of the workpiece and line the center of the cutter with the edge. That looks about right. Now zero the Y-axis in the control software. Next, we will zero the X-axis. Line up the center of the cutter with the edge of the workpiece in the X direction. Now zero the X-axis in the control software. The final axis to zero is the Z-axis. Insert a precision zeroing device. We use paper because it is thin and lets us know when we contact the surface. Jog the Z down towards the material surface. When close, press and hold Control while jogging to move in smaller increments. Z is in contact with the surface when the paper cannot move. Now zero the Z-axis in the control software. And that's it. You are now ready to turn the spindle on and begin cutting. Thank you for watching. Be sure to use the provided checklist to aid the process and guarantee perfect router zero.